video, I will show you how you can add graphic or images which you plot in your origin file into your Word. Okay, so to do so, many students just take screenshot of the graphs from origin and paste in their documents in Word file. This happens to make graph so blurry, so even other aspects cannot be viewed. So there is a short method how you can just copy. Okay, so let me start. I have my graphs which I plotted here. Let me show you. Let's suppose this is my graph for eta, and let me show you. Here is my graph. You can see now I have to copy this and I have to move this into my Word document, into my either thesis or report, you can say. The only thing you have to do is you just have to tap Control J. Okay, Control plus J. After doing, just minimize your origin file. Okay, now move on towards the Word file where you have to add this image, this graph. Okay, so you can see you just have to do Control V and just wait for 5 seconds. You can see your plot pasted here. This you can see. Okay, so you can also left click and crop the extra part by doing this. Okay, this is how you can crop your graph. Okay, so now you can see you can move it anywhere in your documents. Now the bonus part of this is let me just first maximize this image. Okay, like okay, so you can see you can maximize image. So the bonus part of this adding is once you click double tap on this graph, it auto moves you towards the main origin file where you can update it. You can update the okay, you can update each and everything from this graph by doing editing in this. You can see it will auto edit in your Word file. So this is very good opportunity for you, so to add how to add graphs from origin to Word or Excel or anywhere else. Okay, just do so, Control J, and by doing double tap on this you can move towards the main origin file and you can do edits here, and Control S. By saving, you can see it auto updates your graph here also. So this is how you can add your graphs. Okay,